how to fix the Doordash app not working in 2024. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. Now we want to completely close the Doordash application, and for the first fix we'll just go to the App Store. Here search for Doordash and make sure that you have the most up-to-date version. So if it says update here instead of open, you just want to immediately update your app. If it still doesn't work, go to your phone settings. Here search for offload. So offload, and click on offload unused apps. It's going to show you a list of all of your applications, and we just want to find Doordash. Click on it and then select offload app. Offload the application and then reinstall it. This is going to keep your account and all of your information. It's simply going to uninstall and reinstall the app. Now, once we have done this, if it still doesn't work, the last thing that I can suggest doing is turning off your phone and then turning it back on. So after we have done this, the Doordash application should be working seamlessly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.